In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 different ways you can make money with Beehiiv. Beehiiv recently gained a lot of popularity in the content creator space and is a serious competitor to other providers like Substack or ConvertKit. That's because Beehiiv has unique monetization features that you don't want to miss if you want to make more money with your list. Before showing you exactly what they are, my name is Matt Jarrow, and this channel is for content creators who want to turn their ideas into an income. So if that sounds like you, hit the subscribe button now. The first way to make money with Beehiiv is by showing ads in your newsletter. So basically you run ads for other companies or creators and they pay you to feature their ads in your content. This allows them to get their brand in front of your subscribers. So many creators used to handle this part on their own by using custom-made workflows, by either using custom checkout links, or by using tools like Airtable, or simply by setting up a custom store. The problem is that it requires a lot of back and forth between you and the advertiser. So here is why Beehiiv is actually a game changer, because it integrates the whole ecosystem within the newsletter platform, which means that you can manage your advertisements, you have a calendar on hand, you can accept or decline opportunities. I can simply look at the data, which means that it makes the payment collection and all the organizing way easier. So if you don't mind running ads, that is certainly something that you want to consider. The second option to make money with Beehiiv are subscriptions, which means that you can turn some of your newsletter or articles and put them behind a paywall. Think of this as a paid Substack. Subscriptions are a great way to generate predictable income. However, it requires you having a lot of subscribers to be really sustainable. So I won't recommend launching a subscription-based model if you don't have at least 10,000 plus free subscribers. The third option to make money with Beehiiv is the Beehiiv Partner Program. It's nothing else than becoming an affiliate for Beehiiv and making money when someone joins the platform. So as an example, I could recommend Beehiiv in my videos and articles and to my email subscribers. If they use my link, then I'm going to get a cut of their Beehiiv subscription. Beehiiv's affiliate program shares 50% of the revenue for the next 12 months. So let's assume that someone you referred subscribes to the scale plan at $99 per month, then you are going to get half of that for the next 12 months. But the user has to sign up to Beehiiv within 30 days of clicking your link. So if someone joins, stays on the free plan for 6 months and upgrades then you only get a commission for 6 months. So in order to get your affiliate link, simply head over to monetization, click on Partner Program, click on Join Today, fill out the information they were asking for, and then you'll get your partner link sent to you via email. This is then the link that you can share with others. The fourth option to make money with Beehiiv is called Beehiiv Boosts. It allows you to apply to promote other people's newsletters and get paid in return for these recommendations. Let's see how it works. Head over to monetization and then boosts, and here you'll find a list of newsletters you can promote. First, you need to link your Stripe account so that you can get the payouts. Then you can start applying to promote different newsletters. The publisher of the newsletter will receive a notification where they can accept your request. And once you're accepted, here's what happens. When somebody joins your newsletter, they will see a small pop-up that will ask them if they also want to subscribe to the other newsletter you're promoting. And if they do, you'll make money. So this can make you around $2 per active subscriber. But obviously, this number will vary depending on the niche. You've probably already seen that feature on other newsletter platforms like ConvertKit or Substack. It's the same system, but here you can earn money. So the fifth recommendation is probably the one that will make you the most money, and you can use this tip in any email marketing platform. The goal here is to set up an automated email sequence when people join your list. So let's assume that you're helping men getting rid of belly fat. Then your lead magnet should be around helping them overcome this issue. When they first sign up, you're going to create an automated sequence that will allow them to learn new insights to overcome this problem. And at the end of each email, you can redirect them to either paid coaching with you or selling your own digital products like an online course. This is one of the best methods to actually start earning money from your email list. And if you want to know exactly how to do it, I've created a free course. It's the first link in the description. So now let's just see how to set this up in Beehiiv. So simply head over to Write and then Automations, and then simply create a new automation. Simply add a trigger. So what's a trigger? A trigger is simply the action that will make this automation to start. Let's click on Sign Up activate, and this will then activate this automation as soon as someone joins your list. So let's take a look at the next action, which is send email. I'm going to wait 1 minute before this email goes out, and then I'm simply going to edit the message, add my first email right here. For the demonstration purposes, I'm simply going to add a dummy text right here, just to show you exactly how this works. Exit, activate, and then let's add another delay, edit timing, let this go out the next day at noon, confirm, send email, and this will then be email number 2, etc., etc. Once this is done, exit the workflow, and as you can see, it's running, which means that every time someone is going to join your list, it will automatically send him specific emails that will always tie back to an offer to make you money on autopilot. So now you know exactly how to make money with Beehiiv. And if you want to make more money with emails, then here are other videos that might help.